Hi everyone, it's Raegan at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm going to show you some secret features on your Tacoma that you may not know you have. Hidden behind the driver's door, you have a secret compartment in which you can store things like your cottage keys so you don't forget them. In the composite box, we have a storage compartment in which you can store small gear so it doesn't roll around the bed. On the other side, we have two USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, and a small storage space. Back to the other side, we have an AC outlet, and the hybrid models have an incredible 2400 watts, which eliminates the need to haul around a heavy, noisy generator to your campsite. Between the wheel wells, there is not enough room to fit a 4-foot sheet of plywood, but Toyota has thought of that. The Tacoma has two indents on either side that you can place 2x6s, so you'll have ample room for your sheet of plywood. So what's a favorite feature on your Tacoma? Let us know in the comments.